So this is toast with butter, with brown sugar, sprinkled on top, with cinnamon sprinkled on top. Some people can, they sprinkle icing sugar or powdered sugar on over top of the same thing. Icing sugar in New Zealand, powdered sugar for the rest of the world, who knows. And you can sprinkle, drizzle like golden syrup over it, over this. If it's like pancakes, but it's toast. But I just put this in the microwave for like 20 seconds to melt it. Some people have it with strawberries and whipped cream, who knows. Yeah, pleasure is all mine.